Okay, so a lot of people want to know how to make money from Temu, obviously, but I'll show you guys step by step how to make some little passive income and how to make money using Temu, obviously, because a lot of people have not know that the Temu affiliate program, they're currently looking for affiliate program is basically you promoting the app and you making money from the app. As you see, just for today, I've made $135 just for promoting the app, and this is how many people have so far have come in this money making Temu. But I'll show you guys step by step. So if you click the first link, it shows some like join the affiliate program here. It will be somewhere in the description, so it should bring you over here. As you see here, first here you will get $5 for every single time someone download the app. Okay, and you get 20% commission when someone uses your link to make new orders. So basically, this is it. As you see here, I have $135 gain just for today, and I can withdraw anytime. So therefore, if I can just share my code here, a lot of people would be able, my link, as you see my affiliate link and code down here on the bottom, I can show my link and people can click on my link, and here where it says FVA0977, that's my code. So every single time someone use my code, they get 30% off, and I get $20 commission from it. So for you guys, if you really want to join it, I'll leave the link. This link will be down below, and you guys can go ahead and click. And here's the catch: once you click on it, you earn your first $10 just by accepting my link. So you earn your first $10. From there, you just need $10 more to withdraw your first $20, and which is you can just do it family and friends, which is pretty easy though, because I find it helpful to do this. So I'll leave this link down below, and your job here will be promoting the app. So basically, you promoting the app. If you really want to be an influencer, you have some sort of 5,000 followers on TikTok, or more than that, maybe 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can go ahead and join the affiliate Temu influence program, and you get to win. They get to send you free product and just reveal them in your videos. Basically, you just keep on promoting Temu, and you make money from Temu. As you see, this month itself, I've withdrawn $307, and pending is $1,449. So that's it for the video. Make sure you guys click the link down below if this video helps, and if you guys ever have any questions, I'll leave my Instagram down below so you guys can click on it. And basically, yeah, hopefully this helps, and go ahead and download Temu.